Welcome to this session on the top Jira interview questions and answers. Whether you are preparing for a business analyst, QA, Scrum Master, or developer interview, these questions will help you confidently explain key Jira concepts. Let's begin with the most commonly asked questions. What is Jira? Jira is widely used agile project management and issue tracking tool developed by Atlassian. It is used for backlog management, sprint planning, bug tracking, workflow management, and generating the agile reports. Most modern software teams use Jira because it centralizes the work, provides transparency, and supports agile processes like Scrum and Kanban. Second question, like what are the main issue types? In Jira, every piece of work is represented as an issue. The most common issues types are story, when new functionality is required, task, technical or routine work, epic, a large body of work grouping multiple stories, bug, a defect that needs to be fixed, subtask, a smaller task under a story or a task. Understanding issue types is crucial because the team uses them to categorize and manage the work. What is a workflow? A workflow in Jira represents the life cycle of an issue from creation to completion. A basic workflow might look like in a to-do list, in progress, then when a review is done, and the final or the completion that is called as done. Each status change represents a transition. Workflow can be customized for each team's process, making them one of the most powerful and flexible features in Jira. Let's see what is an epic. An epic is a large requirement of features that needs to be broken down into smaller user stories. For example, user account management could be an epic containing multiple stories like login, sign up, forgot password, and profile update. Epics help team track progress for big features over multiple sprints. What is a backlog grooming? Backlog grooming, also known as backlog refinement, is a continuous activity where the product owner and business analysts prepare the backlog for future sprints. During grooming, stories are reviewed, updated, clarified, prioritized, estimated, and sorted. The goal is to ensure the backlog is clean, organized, and ready for sprint planning. What is a sprint planning? A sprint planning is a ceremony where the team decides what work will be completed in upcoming sprint. Stories are selected based on priority, capacity, and estimated story points. The team commits to the sprint goal and creates tasks needed to complete the work. Jira supports sprint planning with features like drag and drop estimation fields and story point tracking. Let's see the next question. That is, what are the story points? Story points represents the effort or complexity required to complete a user story. Most teams use the Fibonacci sequence, that is like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Story points considers factors like complexity, risk, and work size. They help teams estimate work more accurately and measure the velocity. Let's see what is a burn down chart. A burn down chart tracks the remaining work in a sprint over time. The chart shows whether the team is on track to complete the sprint goal. If the burn down line drops steadily, the team is progressively well. If the line is flat or rising, it indicates a delay or blockers. Burn down charts help improve transparency and predictability. What is a JQL? JQL stands for Jira Queries Language. It allows users to create advanced filters to find specific issues. For example, status, in progress, and assignee is equal to John. Okay. So JQL is extremely powerful and is commonly used by BAs, QAs, and Scrum Master to generate custom issues list. What is issue link? Issue linking is used to show relationship between issues. Common link type includes blocks when one issue prevents the another, relates to general connection, duplicate, same issue reported twice, and parent and child, that is epic to story or story to subtask. Linking issues help teams visualize the dependency across the project. To summarize, understanding this fundamental Jira concept will help you perform better in interviews and on the job. Jira is powerful tool and being confident with its key terms, stories, epics, workflow, JQL and burn down charts can significantly improve your agile performance. Thanks for watching this video.